I'm going to show you how to replace your coil packs and spark plugs on your 2012 to 2017 L, LE, SE, and XLE Toyota Camry. So we're going to start by pulling this panel off. Just pull back two off, and the front one pull up, and the cover comes right off. Grab yourself a 10mm socket, and these 4 bolts right here should come off. Grab myself a magnetic tray to put all the screws in. And now we're going to pop off all these little coil pack connectors. If you look right here, you press down on this tab right here, and you pull out. But it can be easier if you have a little hit like this. We'll do that for all of them. Now that I got all of the coil pack connectors disconnected, we'll just simply pull up and they should come right out like that. Set those off to the side. Each one should just come out very easily. Ratchet and extension, and then your 5/8 spark plug socket. Just put it right down in there. Crack her loose, just like that. Once it gets loose enough, you should just be able to pull up on it. Nope, not fully loose yet. Might take a second for it to pull up. There we go. This is a 1,000ths gauge, or a spark plug gap tester. So we're gonna test the spark plug gap. It should be around 44. So see right there, that is the 40 mark right there. So, and it's past 40 mark, and it's around 45 just below. So that is right around what it should be. I'm gonna do all 4 right there. Yep, that's in the right spot. See, it's around 40, 45. Right there. Here's the 4th and final spark plug. That is perfect. Now we're ready to put the spark plugs in. Make sure you don't drop it down in there, because I can take our ratchet and our spark plug socket and extender, get them snug. I have my torque wrench set at 18 foot-pounds. Are different colors, but you can see they look pretty much identical. So these should fit just fine and not longer. Always make sure of that before you put them in. This should just drop right in. Now we're going to put all of the screws back in. Now these bolts are 7 foot-pounds each. Now we need to reconnect all the coil pack. Wait till it clicks. Yeah, so super easy. You probably only need just a couple of tools. Probably took me about, I don't know, 10 minutes. $47 worth of parts off of eBay, not $800 for eBay. I forgot, we also have to put the cover on. One in and then two back, one there. Alright, let's give it a test start. So the reason why we replaced these, we had this slight misfire after this car sat for like, I don't know, maybe a week or so. It could be completely unrelated, but this vehicle has 150,000 miles on it. So you're really supposed to replace the spark plugs about 100,000 miles. See you guys next time.